Well, very good morning. Children, today we will learn one more class of handwriting. I hope you have completed that last class which I have given you, and the second class will begin now. I'll take from your English reader from Canary some difficult words I will take. Here, every word with the first letter will become a capital letter. See how I write, that is very important, where I start and where I ends. Please, I request you, all of your parents, to be beside you when you start handwriting in the evenings. Morning and afternoon you won't be free. You have to write class work and also write homework. You listen to the videos from all subjects, so that I can't ask you to do immediately after, in the evenings when you are free. So keep on going to write these handwriting classes. And children, I'll give you difficult words. Here the difficult words, you will also learn spelling and pronunciation, however handwriting. So one shot, like a three birds, we can learn three things at a time. So let us begin, children. The first one is wonderful, from your Canary lesson from English reader. But every letter of the word will begin with a capital letter, because you have to know and write capital letters. F starts from top red till the bottom red. In the previous videos I told you, children, the W started from red, ended within the blue. See, look at this. Like this you should write. The second word is birthday. B I R T H DAY. How useful this handwriting. Why? Because I'm reading spelling and also its pronunciation. So very useful to children. This is birthday. And the third one is sweetly. So we are learning only difficult words, not simple words. SWEETLY, sweetly. And next one, jealous. So J also, you can see, started from red, it ended till the red. It occupied 4 lines. So like that you have to follow. JEALOUS, jealous. And next, cleaned. CLEANED, cleaned. The next one is interest. INTREST, interest. So I only capital letter. This occupied 3 lines, whereas from N to T all are small, but some letters are written between these 2 lines, and these two are written between the three lines from red to the bottom blue line. So that observation is very, very important. And also you should write here, there, and here one more. 3 words each you have to write in your English HW. The next one, interest after unhappy. UNHAPPY, unhappy. Next, because. BCAUSE, because. And next one is thirsty, thirsty. THIRSTY. After learning words, we will enter into the words slowly one by one. Okay, na children? And the 2 more are left over. Let me finish them. Hoping. HOPING, hoping. And the last one, notice. The last one is notice. NOTICE. So all words are completed. I gave you totally 11 words in one page, children. So remaining 2 words you have to write here. You also have to write this also. For each line 3 words you have to write in your HW. So take care, be safe at home. You obey your parents because they gave you birth. So you all have indent to your parents. That is why children, all the time you have to respect them and obey them. Due to this pandemic situation, you have to be very, very careful. So take care. Thank you. Again we will meet with one more video. Please complete this handwriting and send to me.